the backyard. And remember, let's see if Ducky can float.
You want to see if Ducky can float? Did you see that ball? Okay, there's like a ghost here. Did you see that ball? The ball like went over here and then it like left. We saw you! I knew it! There was someone there. We thought you were a ghost.
What? What?
Faster than you think, buddy.
It's a ball!
Stop doing this.
Okay.
How do you think annoying that is? Well, guess what?
What? Ethan, come on. Let's change our channel. Someone help me.
Okay. I'll go the other way. Ooh, look at the pretty tree. See flowers.
I'm not sure. Why are you out here, Lou?
That smell good. What?
Why?
Why am I out here?
Why are you out here?
Because.
Hello! I see you!
Dude! A bird!